How to Put in Pavers by Jan van der Baan. Jan, how are we doing this?
One at a time.
All right, as you can see.
Slow and steady wins the race.
He's already put down his sand. He pounded this down with this machine over here so that it would be level. He leveled it with a level, raked it with this rake. That's the machine that pounds it down. And now he's starting to build it across. He does one row at a time. Jan, go ahead and show us how you do one of those stones.
Oh, okay. Let me see which one I'm up to.
All right. Can we walk on this?
Sure.
All right, we're going to walk over. So he's going to take a half stone. As you can see, every other stone he's doing a little bit different so that it gives a nice pattern. He pounds it in, pounds it down, and that's basically how you do it. And he's going to get a full stone, which he has back there.
Hold on.
We're trying to count his...
We're seeing what we're up to, but we have to get more.
Got to get more. Where are they? Over here. Now Jan pulled these up and he's re-putting them in. Is that correct?
Correct.
So here's where our stone pile is. As you can see, it's very heavy. He's a very strong, able young man. And we're going to go ahead and check with him in a minute. All right, Jan has gotten it down to just carrying 2 bricks at a time because they're extremely heavy. And as you can see, he's very tired. He's done a pretty good job so far this morning. He's got about 10 rows in. And now he's going to put this one in. So you put a half block in, now he's going to put a full block.
I just got to figure out which one I'm up to.
So he's counting up.
This one. So 2 big, then a small, 3 big, then a small.
He's trying to make a pattern. He wants it to look good, because his wife will beat him. Mr. Mom will get beat. There he goes. He's putting another one in. It's a little off, but I guess it's okay. And we need another couple stones. So now he's going to put a small one in. So he's going small one, 2 large ones, small one, and continuing his path.
And 3 big ones.
He's trying to keep his pattern right.
After my next row, I'll be halfway through the driveway. Although I added 4 extra feet on it, so
I guess you're about 1/3 of the way right now. But it looks good. So we last left Jan about 2 hours ago, and he's put down 2 more rows. As you can see, he's working diligently in the hot sun. It's 90 degrees out, and this fucking dog is screwing up our stuff.
you're not supposed to be on the thing. Get off of it. Oh. Dutch!
You're an idiot, Dutch. You are not halfway yet. But you're getting close. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We got 17 rows. You're at 14 last time I was here. We found a more efficient way of transporting our pavers. That's a much more efficient way of moving our blocks. As you can see, Jan, working in 90-degree heat, is not deterred from his mission. He's got 1 day to get this done, and then Melody gives him back the baby. Putting in the pavers. It's an arduous task, especially when you're by yourself. I offered to help, but of course, knowing that I have a terrible heart condition, he declined my offer. As he pounds down the hard bricks in the hot, hot midday sun. Keep on. Okay, you wait. And another row is completed. We're at about 16 rows. All right, he has a system. What he does is he lays them out. Now he's going to make sure everything's nice and flat. He's going to slam these babies right in there. As you can see, he's sweating profusely because it is about 107 degrees out here in the shade. Here we go. Pound that baby in. Bam. Rows. Very important that you wear the proper clothing when you're working outside in the hot sun. This is very hard work. I'm assuming, because I'm not actually doing any of it, but it looks hard and sweaty.
Top visible condition.
Curly Tail's like, come on, man, get me some cockroaches. Here we go, Cockroach City. So we figured out mother of invention. Tie this umbrella to this thing. Get some cool shade on the man as he does his work. All right, so we've got our invention, bringing the temperature down by at least 10 degrees. We've laid out our next 5 feet. And Dutch says, yeah, I'm just gonna chill over here in the sand. And there he goes, he's on his way. He's cranking it off, we got a system, it's working. Okay. Necessity is sometimes the mother of invention. And Jan's trying to keep the sun off of him. As you can see, this ingenious device sells for $19.95. Act now and you can get 3 of them. That's right, 3 of them. For a low, low price of $19.95 per month for 12 months. All right, we're gonna feed a cockroach to the lizard.
No, this is it.
He's over here.
Here. Here. Oh. Go get it.
Let's see how this is. There we go. 900%. Do it yourself. It's a model. Why? Because it's extremely cheap. And you range. Well, Jan worked for about, I don't know, 10 hours leveling everything in the sand pit. As you can see, Dutch does not respect that at all. Start thinking in terms of this is an investment property. That's it. Slide right in. Double in. Double out. That's it. Nice enough. Slide down. That's it. You go. I'm good. I'm good. And as you can see, completely finished.